Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is 10 most powerful weapons of USA. Number 10, AH-64 Apache. The AH-64 Apache is an American 4-blade twin-turbo attack helicopter. It features a nose-mounted sensor suited for target acquisition and night vision systems. Equipped with a 30mm cannon, Hellfire missiles and sophisticated sensors, the Apache combines speed, firepower and range that allows the army to strike enemies long before they come within firing distance. It's equally useful at hunting down enemy armored columns in every kind of warfare. Number 9, M1A2 Abrams. The M1A2 Abrams, mainly operated by US Army, is the third generation main battle tank. Highly mobile, designed for modern ground warfare, the M1A2 is considered one of the most well-protected tanks in the world. Notable features include the use of a powerful multi-fuel turbine engine, the adoption of sophisticated composite armor and separate ammunition storage. At a whopping weight of 74 tons, it is one of the heaviest main battle tanks in service. The Abrams is armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun which can fire advanced kinetic and multi-purpose rounds. The gun is accurate and has an effective firing range of more than 2.5 miles. Various versions have been developed and the tank has been upgraded many times. The latest variants of Abrams M1A2 ACP V3 is equipped with the latest sensors and network-enabled weapon systems. Number 8, Destroyers. The US Navy's fleet of destroyers operate in battle group formations to protect aircraft carriers or act independently. The Burke-class destroyers number more than 70 in active service and form the backbone of US Navy's fleet. These destroyers are the most balanced, capable ship fielded by any modern navy. The destroyers are equipped with Aegis radar system which is capable of defending the battle group against incoming missiles and enemy aircraft. The destroyer is heavily armed with 90 cruise missiles, 127mm cannons, machine guns and anti-aircraft weapons. Each ship has two phalanx close-in weapon systems designed to shoot down incoming missiles, helicopters, drones and small boats. Number 7, Drones. The US has the largest and most sophisticated fleet of military drones. US is the only country in the world which has extensively used the drones in actual battlefield. There are various drone types and models in US arsenal. However, the most prominent combat drones are MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper. MQ-1 Predator has been in service with the US Armed Forces since 1995. Powered by a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, the drone can gain to top speed of 135 miles per hour with 24 hours of endurance. It has a maximum range of 777 miles. The MQ-1 can be armed with 2 Hellfire missiles. In contrast, MQ-9 Reaper is a larger, heavier and more capable aircraft than MQ-1 Predator. Powered by a turboprop engine, the drone has a top speed of 300 miles per hour. The range of the drone is 1200 miles. Outfitted with 7 hardpoints, the UAV can carry 3,800 pounds of various kinds of ammunition and missiles. Number 6, F-35. F-35 Lightning II is a family of single-seat, single-engine and all-weather stealth multi-role fighters. The 5th generation combat aircraft is designed to perform ground attacks, aerial reconnaissance and air defense missions. The F-35 comes with 3 variants including short takeoff and vertical landing type. The Pentagon plans to acquire more than 3,100 of F-35s for its different branches of military. The plane is powered by a single engine producing 4,300 pounds of thrust. With the help of this engine, the aircraft can gain top speed of Mach 1.6. The aircraft is fitted with 4 internal hardpoints and 6 external weapon stations with a total payload capacity of 18,000 pounds. F-35 is also armed with a 25mm 4-barreled rotary cannon. Number 5, Nuclear submarines. There are 3 major types of submarines in the United States Navy: ballistic missile, cruise missile and attack submarines. All these subs in US Navy are nuclear powered. Ballistic missile subs have a single strategic mission of carrying nuclear ballistic missiles. There are 14 ballistic missile submarines of Ohio class in the US Navy. These subs are one of the most feared subs in the world. While a cruise missile submarine carries and launches cruise missiles as its primary armament, US Navy operates 4 Ohio-class guided missile submarines capable of launching Tomahawk cruise missiles. The attack submarines have several tactical missions including sinking enemy ships and submarines and gathering intelligence. There are more than 53 attack submarines in service. These subs are capable of performing seek and destroy missions, surveillance, reconnaissance, irregular warfare, covert troop insertion, mine and anti-mine operations. Number 4. B-2 Spirit. The Air Force has a small fleet of 20 B-2 Spirit. These bombers are the only stealth long-range strike asset of US arsenal. No other aircraft has the range to take off from the mainland United States and strike the targets on the other side of the globe inside highly contested airspace. The B-2 Spirit has an unrefueled range of around 6,000 nautical miles, which can be extended to 10,000 nautical miles with aerial refueling. There is no other warplane in the US Air Force inventory which is capable of penetrating the kinds of dense air defenses. At a whopping rate of $2 billion price tag, the aircraft is the most expensive aircraft jet in the world. Number 3. Boeing Minuteman III. The strategic nuclear deterrence has become less prominent since the end of Cold War. The backbone of America's nuclear deterrence remains the 1960s intercontinental ballistic missile Minuteman III. Over the years, the long-serving missiles has been modified and upgraded with better guidance systems and new rocket motors. Though originally designed to be filled with 3 multiple independent re-entry vehicles, the current version of the missile carries 300 kiloton weapon. The United States plans to continue to upgrade the missile, but eventually will have to develop a new ICBM to replace the Minuteman III. Number 2. F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is the best fighter jet in existence. The F-22 is extremely stealthy and is equipped with advanced avionics. This aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet for extended periods. When operating at lower speeds and altitudes, it has the ability to vector thrust from its engines, which gives it that tremendous maneuverability. In short, the Raptor's combination of sheer speed, altitude, stealth and powerful sensors make it a lethal killer in the sky. Number 1. Aircraft Carriers. The US Navy has the world's largest aircraft carrier fleet with 10 Nimitz-class and 1 Ford-class carrier. The largest and the latest of these ships is Ford-class supercarrier. This ship has larger and more powerful air force than the entire air force of many nations. The Ford-class can hold more than 85 aircraft, naval helicopters and drones. These includes F-35, F-A-18 Super Hornet, EA-18 Growlers and early warning Hawkeye aircraft. Defensive weapons of the Ford class include Sea Sparrow missiles, rolling airframe missiles and 20mm Phalanx close-in weapon systems. So this was a video on top 10 most powerful weapons of USA. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.